I'm just going to test this pickup. It's just a coil of wire with magnets. I think these are each one of these are magnets. And obviously there's a coil of wire around it. And I think when you strum the strings, it sends frequencies through here that go down the coil, down this single wire to the volume. But anyway, what you got to do is connect from one wire to the other and just check sure that the coil's intact. Should have quite high resistance because there's a lot of coil, a lot of wire. So as you can see, the reading is 8.16 kilo ohms on that. So that's a good one. You can see the wires coming out of it. They're filled with wax. I ain't never took one of these apart, but I will do. There's got two wires coming out of it and it's filled with wax. So anyway, I'll put that back together.